With the passage of GST in Lok Sabha, the government is in top gear to implement the landmark tax reform from 1st of July. The GST Council approved the draft of 4 sets of rules and finalized 5 others, bringing India closer to one unified tax regime. The council, headed by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, approved the draft rules relating to composition, valuation, input tax credit and the transition process. Framing of rules are mandatory to activate laws.
The council has decided that the final corrected draft as approved today will be put up in public so that the industry, if it wants to make any suggestions, can do so. And if any changes are required on basis of the industry suggestion, once we incorporate the suggestions, if any, then this tentative approval that we made today would in the next meeting be taken up for consideration and affirmed and become a final approval itself.
The council gave approval to 5 sets of rules, namely registration, refund, return, payment, invoice and debit and credit rule.
5 rules, amended drafts were circulated today and a final approval was granted on the amendments which have been made in terms of the enactments itself. So today, as the position stand, out of the 9 set of rules, the original 5 which we had approved have been corrected in terms of the amendment and brought in consonance with the Act. Those now become final.
The 14th GST meet will take place in Srinagar on 18th and 19th of May. Agenda of the meet will be categorization of commodities under various headers, also known as fitment. This is the second time the GST Council will happen outside Delhi. The GST Council met once in Jaipur, and people can calculate the tax themselves.
अगर किसी प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर फॉर एग्जांपल अभी 16-17% का टैक्स लग रहा है तो वो 18% के स्लैब में ऑटोमेटिक आएगा, तो उसमें कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है, अपने आप लोग कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। कुछ ऐसी कमोडिटी होगी कि जिसमें कुछ चेंजेस कर सकते हैं हम कि भाई 18 रखना है कि 12 रखना है, उस तरह का डिसीजन कुछ कमोडिटी में हो सकता है।
GST will turn India into one common market, leading to a greater ease of doing business and big savings in logistical costs from companies across all sectors. The current indirect tax structure is a major impediment in India's economic growth and competitiveness. Tax barriers in the form of CST, entry tax and restricted input tax credit have fragmented the Indian market. GST will facilitate ease of doing business in India. Integration of existing multiple taxes into single GST will significantly reduce costs of tax compliance and transaction costs. Siddhant Sibbal, DD News, New Delhi.